How to fix Instagram white screen in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the white screen or the black screen easy and fast. So all what you have to do is just open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager, go to apps, and this trick is going to be working for iPhone and also for Android. Click on Instagram. Now here you will find the app informations page. All what you have to do on this page is very simple. Just go to the top here, click on this for stop to stop Instagram app. And after that, go down here to app details, click on it, and it will open the Google Play like this. Now right here, all what you have to do is click on this update option to update your Instagram. So very easy and simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.